Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to show you here at Walmart. There's some monster trucks. I already went through them, nothing to see there. Majority, I went through this one and I did find this one is pretty cool. Like that one, because I already have it. And what else we have here? Did came across Jada Fast and Furious Eclipse. I already have that one too. Corvette tuner. I think this one's collectible. Has like a gold wheels. It's pretty cool. What else we have here? Some Super Marios, like that. Monster Jam, nice. Here's some Ninja Turtles. Okay. Fiats. I'm collecting Fiats. I have a lot of Fiats. One of these days I'll make a video about it. Here's Fast and Furious Dom's Plymouth GTX. Ultra Huts. Okay. It's a cool Mercedes 143 scale. Pullbacks. Fast and Furious. Nothing here. All the same. This is all old stuff. So this is pretty cool bus. This is a new Chevy Super Vault. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna go through this. I've already seen it here before. Lotus Type 49, 67 Formula. Cool. 5 packs. Nothing really. And that's about it. I did came across, which I'm going to purchase. I'll show you guys right now. Came across Monster Truck Back to the Future, which is pretty cool. I can't believe somebody left this, they didn't take it. And what does it come with? So there you go. So I'll be getting this one. Another one that I found from Majorette. It's a Porsche 911 Carrera SS, orange. And I came across Majorette Porsche 934 Violent. I like this one. Pretty cool. All in details. So there's a go. So I'll be getting these ones. Let me know which one you guys like the most out of these three. And take care, everybody. Till next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and go hunting. Peace out.